In this video, I'll try to repair a new handheld that was defective on arrival. It powers up just fine, but it doesn't detect SD cards and just always says unmounted no matter what I do. I tried different size SD cards and I tried formatting the cards in different ways, and none of these things worked, so let's look at the hardware. Disassembly is very simple. I'll start by removing the battery cover and the battery, and then I'll remove the 6 screws that hold the case together. And that should be far enough to see what's going on. I'm hoping the problem is just with the SD card slot. At this angle, it's a little hard to see the SD card slot pins, so I'll move over to the microscope. And something is definitely wrong here. This pin looks a bit off, and the solder work on all these pins doesn't look great. I still can't quite see whether the pin is connected to the pad, so I'm going to angle the board a bit. And now it's pretty clear. This pin is not connected at all. So let's fix that. I'll start by adding a healthy amount of flux, and then I'll touch up the pin. And since I'm already here, I'll go ahead and clean up the rest of them. Alright, the repair is complete, so I'll clean up my work with some rubbing alcohol. And I'll test it out. And now booting it up, I can see that the interface changed, so that's a really good sign. And now it's detecting the SD card. Alright, so this repair was a success. Hopefully this video is helpful to anyone out there experiencing the same problem. Just from some quick searching, it does seem to be pretty common. So that about covers it. Thanks to everybody for watching, and a big thanks to you guys supporting on Locals and Patreon, and with purchases on my website. Have a good one, guys.